Hello children, how are you? Hope all are fine, right? And hope all might have done quite good in your periodic test. Okay children, now let us come to conversion. Conversion of decimals to percentages and percentages to decimal. To convert between the decimals and the percent children, we need to move the decimal point exactly to two places. When we are converting a percentage to decimal, what do we need to do? We need to remember that per means divided by and cent means 100. Percent means divided by 100. To convert a percent to a decimal, we first divide by 100, which means to move the decimal point two places towards the left and drop the percent sign, because dividing by 100 will make it smaller. We are taking a number 8% children and converting into decimal. 8% means 8 by 100. So when we divide 8 by 100 in the given grid children, you can see 100 boxes are there. Out of that 8 boxes are red, that we have taken as 8 by 100. So it becomes 0.08. In the number line also you see children, the number is represented as 0.08 with a red arrow. Now let us come to yet another number, that is 70%. 70% will become 0.70, and 0.70 children we write it as 0.7 because after the decimal is placed, the 0 on the right side has got no value. 0 after the decimal point at the end on the far right can be added or it can be removed, and it doesn't change the value of the number. 70% means children, in the grid given you can see 100 boxes. Out of that 70 boxes we have taken. That means 70 are being on the numerator and the denominator being 100. 70 out of 100, when we divide into lowest terms, it becomes 7 by 10. 7 out of 10 is nothing but 0.7. Okay, the number line here given below children, the arrow shows you where is the placement of your 0.7. Then children, the next one we have, is children, we are taking a few examples where 2.4% is written as 0.024, 160% as 1.6 in decimal, 123.456% will be written as 1.23456, 0.12% will be written as 0.0012, and 700% will be written as only 7. So what we need to remember is, we will not get confused children. Do not be tempted or swayed by the number of decimal places that may or may not be in the number. Always we need to remember that we need to move the decimal place, okay, at the decimal point to two places. Suppose we are taking a number 0.007, a percent less than 1%. So 0.007 is nothing but 0.7, and 0.7 is nothing but 0.7. Often a 0 is added in front of the decimal point to emphasize that the percent is less than 1%. 0 is in front of the decimal point on the far left can be added or removed, and it doesn't change the value of the number. So 0.007 is equal to 0.7%, and that is quite a small number. It is equal to 7 by 1000, or we in decimal say it as 7 thousandths. When we take a number as 1.6, a percent that is bigger than 100. So what will become 1.6 when we are moving to two places towards the right? It becomes 160 percent. So it will become as 160%. 16 is 1 and 6 tenths. 1.6 is nothing but 1 and 6 tenths. That is 1 and 60 hundredths, and that is nothing but 160%. Percent means divided by 100. So to convert a percent to a decimal number, we divide by 100 first and then drop down the percentage sign, which means that you need to move the decimal point two places to the left. Hope you all understood children. Take care and bye bye.